One pole! Yeah, right there! You didn't do the camera!
Love pescatarians. Shout out Katie.
Oh!
So sad I'm graduating. Yeah, that's Mitch.
Guys, if you could describe the team, what word would you describe it with?
Furry.
Practice, they had cat ears.
Yeah, they all were cactus.
Really?
And then the whole cactus, they were like, meow, meow.
Welcoming. Welcoming. You cut. Wholesome. That's such cat.
Fun.
Boring.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Whoa! You're cut.
Fun and cheerful.
I think the person with the best fit here is Orchid. Orchid, who has the best fit?
Michelle?
Michelle! Orchid thinks you have the best fit. Who do you think has the best fit?
Orchid. That's not Orchid.
Angela.
Michelle.
Janet. Janet! Best fit here. Who has the best fit here? That's not Orchid, Michelle, or Angela.
Oh,
Pick a guy, pick a guy.
Pick a guy?
Pick a guy. Which guy has the best
A
fit?
little understated. Maybe Kenneth.
Kenneth?
A little understated.
Which one?
Michael Yu.
Anyone?
Yeah, life is still someone's fit. We'll just steal.
I'll be there whenever I need somebody who can love me.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Yeah, that's it. We're wrapping it back.
Hello, we're at Molotov. Yeah.
Gonna go by asking what spice level y'all chose.
Mild.
Mild. Same. I got mild. What? Mild. Mild. Medium. Medium. Hot, baby. Okay.
Tomato.
Mild. Mild.
Medium.
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 Mild. 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 Medium. Medium. What's my medium? Medium. 中辣. Dala. Yongla. Okay, okay. Anthony, what's my level?
Medium.
Medium?
You gotta say it the right way.
What's my level? Yeah. Mild. Aye.